welcome back. Happy Friday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and a fabulous start to your weekend. So thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And don't forget, you guys, we just have a couple more days on the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be down below. Also, don't forget, the same day the thrift bag giveaway ends, where I'm giving away a brand new Betsy Johnson backpack. And we do have two other active giveaways as well. We have the makeup and skincare, where there are two winners. That will end the first week of October. And then ending on the 13th of October, I have the giveaway going on in the Boxy Luxe unboxing video, where some of the items from the September 2019 Boxy Luxe, plus I think some additional items, I put into a giveaway. So definitely check those out if you have not already. If you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. But as you can see, this is a new subscription to our channel. And you can probably see right here, because it's a big old box, it's Vino. So if you're not familiar with what Vino is, I'm gonna tell you, and I'm really excited, like really excited. So it says Vino Sips and Surprises. So you get 2 bottles of wine, and you can choose if you want all red, all white, sweet, or a mixture. So that I think is really awesome. And then you also receive 5 to 6 full-size products, fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. And it is valued at over $120. Now this is a seasonal subscription, so you're only going to get this every fall, winter, spring, and summer. And this is the for me fall box. So it is $59.99 a quarter. Now, you can usually get $10 off your first box, but the value of every box is always over $120. And let's see. It says, gift it for her. Treat all the fabulous women in your life. In your world. Sorry, I was like, why is that not? That doesn't look right. In your world, to sips and surprises. You can do like a one-time box that's on a subscription, and that's the gift hour Happy Day box. And it is $69.99, and it's $124 in retail value. So I'll put a link down below to Vino if you would like to check them out. But I am going to move my notebook with all of my notes. And we're going to get into this bad boy. I apologize if I seem a little off or out of it today. I obviously just have a little bit of minimal makeup. Christopher is home. He is not feeling well. He's really congested and kind of has a tummy bug with it. So it's just not a good situation. Luckily he fell asleep, took a nap, so I got a chance to film. So here we are. But let's get in here and see what Vino is all about. Let me know down in the comments if you get Vino, if you thought about it, and then just what you think of it. And like I said, this is the for me, that is their fall box. And I chose the sweet wine. There really aren't many reds that I like, and I'm funny about certain whites. Like I love Moscato. I love Moscato so much. So hopefully we have some Moscato in here, because that is considered a sweet wine. But the fun part of Vino, if I can get this out, is they fit it in there, and they fit it in there good. Oh my goodness. Like they really fit it in there. turn this upside down. I'm gonna need some wine after this. Okay. So, you get a box right here with all of your goodies. Oh, for me? So that's fun. And then in the bottom, secured are your 2 bottles of wine. So let's see what wine we got. So like I said, you get 2 bottles. And like I said, you can choose red, whites, a mix of red and white, or sweet. And I chose the sweet. So this first one is the Night Vine 2017 California Moscato. Yay, our vineyards never sleep. So yay, I got a Moscato. Night Vine Moscato is a perfect sweet blend of honey, apple, and pear flavors. Delight in the graceful aromatics, crisp acidity, and clean finish. Ooh, I'm so excited. Yay. And then, oh, I got another Moscato. It's also a 2017 California Moscato. Yay. It says this Moscato is a perfectly balanced sweet white wine with a relaxing fruity aroma, an excellent wine for an intimate gathering of friends. So yeah, I got 2 Moscatos. That is awesome. I'm so excited because that's my favorite wine, so that worked out. All right, so then let's get into the goodies. Open it. And so it looks like they put everything in here like little cards. Yeah. Vino Custom Wines. Vino wine selection includes 2 of our premium custom wines, either 2 sweets, 2 whites, 2 reds, or a mix of white and red. Awesome. Okay, so there's that. All right, so here is the first, here's the card, the Oh For Me. Like I said, that's their fall box. Oh, the value. Always included custom wine. The wines value $21 to $26, so that's where there may be some variation on the pricing. But the total value of this box is $142 or more. So that would be based on if the wine is $21 a piece, it'd be $142. But if they're up to 26, it could be a little more. But it shows us the other goodies. So, and it does include pricing, which I really like. So the first thing catching my attention is a Spongel. You guys know I love these, so I'm so excited to see this in here. This is the French Lavender. Oh, I'll be honest, I was actually like, French Lavender when I just read that, but that actually smells really good. It doesn't smell at all like lavender. And I love when they are the Spongels that include the little hanger, because not all of them do. So there's that, and that is $16. And then, what is this? Lark Fine Foods Salted Rosemary Shortbread. Rosemary seasoned and lightly dusted with sea salt. This is valued at $3. We have a card right here that tells us a little bit more about it. You'll be surprised and delighted with the aromatic goodness and rich buttery crispness of Lark's Salted Rosemary Shortbread Cookies. We hope you enjoy this wholesome yet indulgent treat as much as we do. Oh, yum. Awesome. Sounds very interesting, but I like savory snacks, and that to me, with the butteriness of the cookie and the rosemary, even though it's probably gonna have a hint of sweetness, I feel like that's gonna hit more on the savory note for me. So I'm excited. I mean, it's a cookie. Who wouldn't be excited? All right, and then the next item, a collagen socks, intensive collagen treatment. These are valued at $5. Give your Tootsie some love with these collagen socks from Voish, infused with a collagen-rich emulsion that holds extreme soothing properties, instant plumbing action, and hydration benefits. They are great for softening calluses and the perfect regimen for tired, sore feet. Contains 1 pair of socks. All of the Voish products are vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So that is awesome. Oh, it looks like, if you look here, it looks like that you can take the toe part off. It actually shows them like painting their toes while the socks are on. How long do you have to leave them on? Oh, you only leave them on for 5 to 10 minutes. I might be doing this tonight and have my cookies and maybe a glass of wine. So there's that. And then this guy right here is from Professional Sebastian. Sebastian Dark Oil Scented Candle. Love a candle. This is valued at $12. Try Dark Oil Hair Oil. Smooths up to 48 hours and adds body, then disappears into hair. So there's that. We love the fragrance of the Sebastian Professional Dark Oil Hair Care products so much we wanted to share the scent with you. The candle was designed with sandalwood and cedarwood and was developed from the brand's iconic line of professional dark oil hair products. Oh, wow. It's a 4-ounce candle, and like I said, it's valued at $12. Oh, oh my gosh, y'all. That smells so good. Like, if you think of like a really like fancy, bougie, I feel like I'm using the word bougie a lot, but we're getting a lot of seasonal boxes, and a lot of the times in seasonal boxes, you get bougie items. But this, if you think of like a really, really bougie hair care product that smells just fantastic, that is what this smells like. That smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. And then we have Good Morning and Good Night Wine O'Clock Notepad. This is so cute. Things to do before wine o'clock. And this is valued at $15. Need a little organization in your life? Us too. Stay on top of daily tasks with this fun, custom created notepad designed just for you. It will keep you up to date with all the things to do before 1 o'clock. Yes, please. So that's awesome. So this, I'm guessing, it sounds like it was designed specifically for Vino, so that's probably why $15. But I love that this has like the notepad, but then has like the check off, so you can check off what you've done. Makes you feel a little more accomplished. So we got a notepad. It looks like we have one more item in here. And it is in a box. And then in a bag. I have little squigglies all over me. Oh, okay, so this is like rose gold. I can tell that much. It's a little tangled, but Oh, y'all, look at this. That is so gorgeous. Soleil du Soleil. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Marigold double circle necklace. This must-have marigold style necklace is a delicate polished coin pendant layered with a striking medallion and pave set clear stones. It is the perfect necklace to wear daily, either on its own or layered with other favorites, making it a must for all open necklines. Ooh la la. 18 karat rose gold plating. It's got an 18-inch chain. This is so beautiful. How much? $49. This is so gorgeous because it's like simple, but it's enough. You know what I mean? Like it is just, that is so beautiful. I love that so much. So we got this beautiful necklace, like gorgeous necklace. We got the rosemary shortbread cookies, ooh, the spongelle, the collagen socks, the to-do list, this candle, y'all. Oh my mercy. Smells so good. Plus 2 bottles of Moscato. What? Yes, please. Oh, for me? Don't mind if I do. So that was the fall 2019 Vino subscription box. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I'll put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. It is, like I said, $59.99 a quarter. You can usually save $10 off your first box, making it $49.99. I know that right now, as of right now, the fall box, this box is still available. And like I said, this value is $142 or more. So you can't beat it. It's wine and treats and pamper products and jewelry and all that goodness that we love sent right to your door. So hope you all have a fantastic Friday evening. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.